alert scope against backdrop of development surrounding Indo-Naga peace talk. Banking services likely to be hit as employees' union threatens strike on October 22nd. And civilians hurt as Naga rebels attack Assam rifle camp in Mon district. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA, giving you the news in details. Against the backdrop of the development surrounding the Indo-Naga peace talk, Manipur Chief Minister and Brain has alerted the state police force according to official sources. It is worth mentioning that Naga interlocutor Arun Ravi has given assurance to bring a final solution to the protracted Naga political problem within this month. However, reports say that with the 3-month time frame given by the government of India to conclude the 22-year-old Naga peace process, there appears to be a stalemate over the conclusion of the talks with the NSC and IM firm on their demand for a separate Naga constitution and flag. Banking services are likely to be hit next week as 2 bank unions have threatened to go on 24-hour strike on October 22nd in protest against the recently announced bank mergers, falling deposit rates and outsourcing of jobs, a media report said. All India Bank Employees Association and Bank Employees Federation of India have notified the Indian Banks Association that they will go on strike from 6 a.m. to October 22nd to 6 a.m. on October 23rd. The union said they are opposed to outsourcing of regular banking jobs and privatization of the banking industry. They call for an increase in recruitment of clerical and sub-staff and stringent steps to recover mounting bad loans. While State Bank of India SBI said the strike would not impact its services much as many of its employees are not members of the participating unions. Other banks like Bank of Maharashtra and Syndicate Bank have expressed concern. Unknown Naga rebels suspected to be NSCN launched an attack on 40th Assam Rifles decoy camp located at Jenloi Show village under Mon district of Nagaland in the wee hours today. According to media reports, some civilians were injured as they were hit by stray bullets in the incident. Later on, conducting a spot investigation by security forces, 75 empty cases of bullets were recovered from the site. Personality Development Training Center, Wangkai celebrated its 5th Foundation Day today at its premises located at Wangkai Ayangpali Road, Imphal. Former IMC Councillor and President of Film Academy Manipur, Sapa Momon Singh, IMC Ward No. 20 Co-operator TOMTV and General Secretary of Manipur State Council for Child Welfare, Imphal, Yumnam Sarat Singh, were present at the event. Speaking at the occasion, founder cum coordinator of PD Training Center, Hidam Basu, said that the center was established to increase the communication skills of students in addition to the knowledge obtained from textbooks. He added that the center is also providing all the basic requirements to the students for their personality development.
Satrani ina kumasu satrani larabana khaido thambase Manipur society da tawe habana te but koi sungtau tawdana ba ko amada thambiyu aduna chamana be equality ma thambiraga hai tare ko aikhoina mi mo oibada phangdaba yadaba khudimak to oza khudimangna oza khadana mama mapa khudimangna hana sum numit tha uraba aikhoina hana pigliba gaise khar sembi si.
The 4th Meitei Chanu 2019 beauty pageant will be held this evening at the Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lamboi Khongnangkhong, Imphal. The event is organized by Lining Thosana Mahi Sanapung. The glittering event will be attended by Speaker of Manipur Assembly Y. Khemchan, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and other distinguished personalities. Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next, we have news on Kwakta Municipal Council organizes cleanliness drive at Kwakta Bazaar.
nupi ekhoi gi di khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausa gi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramda masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasi de khoi chingna ningai oidre akhoi gi damak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Welcome back after the break. Kwakta Municipal Council organized a cleaners drive at Kwakta Bazaar today as part of the Mahatma Gandhi Sankalp Yatra under the supervision of Moirang Constituency MLAP Sarachandra. Workers of Moirang BJP Mandal, councillors of Moirang Municipal Council and BJP workers also took part in the cleaners drive. A man reportedly committed suicide by slitting his throat in Churachandpur district last evening. As per reports, the deceased has been identified as Thangkhojin Khongsai, aged 28 years, son of late Dekholal Khongsai of Laujau village, Sapomaina, Kangpokpi district. Reports say that the deceased was a mentally retarded individual and was under medical treatment. A combined team of Moray Commando and 43rd Assam Rifles apprehended an active cadre of UNLF from Moray town parking last night around 9:15, a report said today. The arrested has been identified as Salam Thoiba Maitei, aged 23 years, son of Tomba from Moray Kunau. He has been handed over to Moray Police Station for further legal action. NSCN-IM Chairman Q Tuku said the Indian authorities which deal with the Naga talks are well informed that the Indo-Naga political solution without Naga flag and constitution is not conclusive and that it will create a room for future headache, according to reports. Clarifying the position of the political talks between the centre and the National Socialist Council of Nagalim, NSCN, Tuku is a statement said on Saturday after coming to close to the point of conclusion. We are facing hurdles on the issues of Naga flag and constitution. We are looking for a testing solution, Tuku said. Tuku's statement follows Centre's interlocutor for Naga talks and Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi remarks on Friday that NSCN-IM had adopted a procrastinating attitude to delay the settlement by raising the contentious symbolic issues of separate Naga national flag and constitution. Ravi also said some NSCN-IM leaders through various media platforms are misleading the people with absurd assumptions and presumptions over what they have already agreed with the government of India. According to Tuku, the framework agreement signed on August 3, 2015 is a meeting point of the two contending parties, the Indias and the Nagas, and the rallying point for the divided Nagas. He hoped the framework agreement will certainly bring an honorable and acceptable solution to the long-drawn Indo-Naga political conflict as it addresses the security concern of India as well as the historical and political rights of the Nagas. Social Service and Welfare Association Thawal celebrated its 30th Foundation Day at the association complex today. Colorful cultural and traditional programs were the main highlights of the program. MLA of Khangabu constituency Okram Suraj Kumar, Vice President of SSAWA, L. Ibopisa, Councillor of Thawal Municipal Council, Ward No. 1, Okram Inautombi Devi, Ward members Ningombam Anita Devi and Ningombam Nanda Singh were the main guests at the occasion. Founder members of the association were honored by presenting simple gifts during the function. The Akhil Bharatiya Marwari Mahila Sammelan, Hojai branch, has installed manual sanitary napkin vending machines at two girls' schools in Assam Hosai district. The initiative is a bid to provide relief from menstruation problems to girls during school hours. The two schools where the machines are installed are Deshbandhu Vidyapati Girls High School and Abdul Hasif Girls High School. This is the first time that such sanitary pad vending machines are installed in schools in Hojai. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lagpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba imasing na set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lerak Machin, natraga, ekwegi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Lakadoriba Ningol Chakobada set innabagidamag quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamag sem saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhalgi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigani
nupi kaktagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangama mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adongi apama design kuding makki order slogzari. Amtang lengshin biro Kwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithel ki opposite ki fast floor da leriba Showers Boutique.
Welcome back after the break. The Boeing 7879 with 49 people on board took 19 hours and 16 minutes to fly from New York to Sydney, a 16,200-kilometer route. Next month, the company plans to test a non-stop flight from London to Sydney. Qantas expects to decide on whether to start the routes by the end of 2019. If it goes ahead with them, the services would start operating in 2022 or 2023. To give the plane sufficient fuel range to avoid refueling, the Qantas flight took off with maximum fuel-restricted baggage load and no cargo. Passenger seats said their watches to Sydney time after boarding and were kept awake until night fell in Eastern Australia to reduce their jet lag. 6 hours later, they were served a high-carbohydrated meal and the lights were dimmed to encourage them to sleep. On-board tests included monitoring pilot brain waves, melatonin levels and alertness, as well as exercise classes for passengers and analysis of the impact of crossing so many time zones of people's body. 2 soldiers and a civilian were killed as Pakistani troops violated the ceasefire in Tanghar sector of Jammu and Kashmir, Kupwara district today. A media report said, quoting police sources, 3 civilians were also injured in the firing by Pakistani troops, they said. 2 houses were damaged in the incident. Now we have the sports news. In the WACO Indian National Kickboxing Championship 2018-19 held at Maharana Pratap Sports College, Dehradun, Uttarakhand from October 17 to 20, Manipur team has yet again brought laurels to the state. Nongmaithem Niraj won a gold medal in the sub-junior 47 kg point fighting, while Ningthaujam Lingjen Thoibi bagged a gold in the 32 kg sub-junior point fighting. Thokchom Nikhil won a silver medal in the 30 kg sub-junior kick light. On the other hand, Chirom Lingjen Thoibi, Pungshubam Avinash, Ludra Luang Wahengbam and Kundrakpam Lawrence won a bronze medal each in the championship. Pinkhatan Day was observed at Sai Field, Guwahati today. Empowering women run in the 5 countries and 50 cities, Pinkhatan in India is India's biggest women run created with the objective of spreading awareness about women's health-related issues, breast cancer in particular. Through the Pinkhatan, women are encouraged to adopt health and fitness in their daily lifestyle by means of running. It is a unique initiative which works with one simple underlying theme: empowered women will be by example inspire and empower other women. It encourages women from all walks of life and all age groups and socio-economic background who have probably never participated in a sporting event before to take their first steps to a healthier life.
Part of the Pinkhatan. Since last 3 years I have been participating in Pinkhatan run. as well as in the officiating also. It's quite good to see all of us here. The Pamjalaga Laiba, Duga Karigumba family, confine Taraga, Mapan Topangam daba, Moishigum Mayamse Aquina, awareness Samapuraga Makoibu, Mayam give among the Putoga, Masama TOMTV in a self empowerment awareness Samaquin Mother Tambiba, Dugi, Mrs. Piven Epingatungi through the Aduga cancer, Kamaitogna, breast cancer, Nupigiam Kaman, I Sama breast cancer survivor. Adu Pinkathan Yaudagi awareness is soon Hengal Eduga fitness labagi Wakansu Cantoredo Hengal Edo I Pinkathan Yaudagi Samasu run away Eduga Pinkathan Gimamanga I walk cross to Bungam de Soro Adu Huziki run to Busungam Adukimatic fitness la Pinkathan Dagi Adu Sigi Mrs. Enemy Miam the pinning but Nupimiam the pinning Mamokosu Tolaga Yungi Tabosu me Aduga Ajansu fitness way na basu toba adu maina ani du pulapna tominarabadi anaba kayadagi ngakthokpa.
Unseeded Prithvi Sekar of India has won the gold by defeating third seed Jaroslav Samdek of the Czech Republic 6-4, 6-3 in the men's final of the World Deaf Tennis Championship played yesterday at Antalya, Turkey. According to reports, the 26-year-old player gave a stunning performance in the final tournament as he did not drop a set in the tournament while beating 4 seeded players, including the top seed Gabor Mate of Hungary. Prithvi had also won the doubles bronze medal with Prashanta Darshanta Harshamvai. Cristiano Ronaldo and Miralem Pjanic seal a 2-1 win for Juventus over Bologna to consolidate top spot in Serie A on Saturday. Media said Ronaldo was presented with a special jersey before kick-off to mark his 700th career goal scored playing for Portugal during the week. The 34-year-old hit his 700th first after 19 minutes, with Pjanic adding a second 8 minutes after the break following a blunder by Brazilian defender Danilo, who had earlier pulled Bologna level. Defending champions are now 4 points clear of second place Inter Milan, who traveled to Sassuolo on Sunday. Atlanta's third set, throwing away a 3-goal lead to draw 3-3 with Lazio with 4th place. Napoli closing the gap to just 1 point after Arkadiusz Milik's double saw of Verona. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, curtains for world's oldest insurgency, Naga peace deal by October end. UCM gears up for mass civil movements, 128th Manipur Police Raising Day. Chief Minister reiterates commitment to territorial integrity. The People's Chronicle, Centre sets October 31st deadline, rejects flag and constitution, states integrity in Prime Minister Modi's safe hands, says Chief Minister. Take definite stand on Ravi's revelation, says UCM to government. Imphal Free Press, political solution without flag and constitution inconclusive, says NSCNIM chairman. Chief Minister reiterates stand to protect Manipur boundary. 128th Manipur Police Raising Day held. CBI probe orders should have preceded quashing for appointment. Without timely intervention, Siri Lily may be lost forever, says Governor. Third Siri Lily Fest concludes. The Morning Bell, 128th Manipur Police Raising Day observed. Indo-Naga peace talks will not affect the territorial integrity of the state, assures Chief Minister. Second World War, Ukhrul and the villagers of Sangsak. UCM sounds alert as Government of India sets October 31st deadline for settlement of Naga peace talks. Convenes emergency public meet on October 21st. Manipur Mail, 128th Manipur Police Raising Day held. Government committed to uphold territorial integrity, says Chief Minister. Convened all-party meetings to discuss on Naga issue, says CPI. Deputy Chief Minister releases disaster management report.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. CM Biren alerts COP against backdrop of development surrounding Indo-Naga peace talks. Banking services likely to be hit as employees' union threatens strike on October 22nd. And civilians hurt as Naga rebels attack Assam rifle camp in Mon district. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.